Does planting a rusty nail near a tomato plant actually increase its iron levels? It's an old gardening trick that many swear by. But does it really work? Let's break it down. Iron is essential for tomato plants. It helps with chlorophyll production, which keeps leaves green and aids in photosynthesis. A deficiency leads to yellowing leaves and weak growth. Since nails are made of iron, some gardeners believe that burying a rusty nail in the soil will provide plants with the iron they need. But here's the truth. It doesn't work the way you think. Rusty nails are coated with iron oxide, which is a very slow-releasing form of iron. For plants to absorb iron, it needs to be in a soluble form, like iron chelates or iron sulfate. A buried nail can take years to break down and release any usable iron. And even then, the amount available to the plant is minimal. So what actually works to boost iron levels in your soil? The best way is to use organic matter like compost, which naturally improves nutrient availability. Blood meal, fish emulsion, and iron sulfate are excellent sources of plant-available iron. If your soil has a high pH, iron absorption can be blocked. So consider using chelated iron, which remains available to plants even in alkaline soil. Burying a rusty nail won't harm your tomato plants, but it's not a reliable way to provide iron. Instead, focus on proven methods like composting, organic fertilizers, and adjusting soil conditions to keep your tomato plants healthy and thriving. So, is the rusty nail trick a myth or a miracle? Now you know the truth. If you found this helpful, let us know in the comments. And if you want more eye-opening gardening tips, make sure to subscribe to Amazing Garden YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss what we've got coming next.